Hello student, good morning and Jai Sri Swaminarayan. Chapter number 8, Jalebis. Okay, so in the last period we had learnt that the child could not able to pay the fees because he invested on jalebis, right? Then he went to the railway tracks, he ran from the school. Okay, now he is at the railway tracks and praying Allah Mia, and even he offered the namaz. Okay, he requested and pleaded God that please put 4 rupees in my bag. Okay, after praying and offer namaz, he checked the bag, but there was only textbook and pencil and notebooks were there, but not 4 rupees. Okay, so I felt like crying as loudly as I could. So the child felt like crying. उसको ऐसा लगा वो अभी रो देगा. But then I remember that school must have ended and children must be on their way home. So it was home time. Tired and defeated, I got up from there and walked to the bazaar and waited for the school bell ring, so that when the children came out, I too would walk home with them as if I had come straight from school. Okay, so he wanted that everybody must know, everybody could have known that he had returned from the school. Okay, in this way he acted. As the bell rang, he wanted to go to home straight from school. I didn't even realize that I was standing near the jalebi wala shop, and at that time he was standing jalebi wala sauce, but he didn't even realize that he is standing there. Suddenly the halwai called out, "Kyun bhai, shall I weigh a rupee worth? Don't want jalebis today." So halwai wala also asked the child that shall he weigh a 1 rupees worth jalebi for him. Okay, didn't want he jalebi that day. I felt like saying, "I will not eat your jalebis today, but I would sure like to roast your liver and eat that instead." Okay, अब उसको ऐसा लगा कि जैसे उसका लीवर को रोस्ट करके जस्ट खा जाए, बट जलेबी तो नहीं खाएगा. This is showing that how angry he was. But I wasn't feeling too well that day, so I simply moved away. And the child was not feeling okay, so he just moved from there. The next day I did the same thing. क्या किया? Same thing. Same thing means he did not go to school, but he went to the railway track. I got dressed and left home, went up to the school gate and then turned off to the railway station. Under the same tree I sat and began to say the same prayer. I repeated, pleaded, Allah Mia, at least give it to me today. Today is the second day. Even he requested and pleaded Allah Mia to give him 4 rupees. Then I said, all right, all right, come. Let's play a game. Now he started playing a game with Allah Mia. I will go from here to that signal. You secretly place 4 rupees under this big rock. I will touch the signal and come back. What fun it will be if I pick up the rock and find 4 rupees underneath. So are you ready? I am going towards the signal. 1 rupee. 1, 2, 3. So in this way he said that he will go and run and touch the signal. He will return and check under the rock. There will be 4 rupees. ओके, वो कहते कि मैं यहाँ से जाऊँगा, सिग्नल को टच करूँगा, वापस आऊँगा, रोक के नीचे आप 4 रुपीज़ रख देना. ओके, फिर कहता है 1, 2 and 3. आई वेंट टू द सिग्नल एंड रिटर्न स्माइलिंग. मैं बहुत हंसता हूँ, स्माइल करता हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि अल्लाह मियाँ मुझे 4 रुपीज़ देंगे. बट आई कुड नॉट फाइंड द करेज टू पिक अप द रॉक. वॉट इफ द कॉइन्स वर नॉट देयर. अब वो डरने लगा कि अगर 4 रुपीज़ नहीं होंगे तो वहाँ पर. बट देन आई थॉट वॉट इफ दे वर. फिर सोचा अगर होंगे तो. फाइनली आफ्टर सेइंग बिस्मिल्लाह, व्हेन आई लिफ्टेड अप द रॉक, दिस बिग hairy worm got up and curling and twisting wriggled towards me. There were no 4 rupees, but there was a worm. एक बहुत बड़ा कीड़ा था. ओके, कर्लिंग एंड ट्विस्टिंग एंड wriggling करते हुए towards me मेरी तरफ आया. I screamed and ran away and once again touched the signal. Okay, so in this way he went to the signal once again. You can see here in this picture. Okay. Then crawling on my hands and knees, I reached the tree. I tried my best not to let my eyes stray towards the rock. Even he returned to the tree, but he did not dare. He did not courage to see the rock because पहले तो उसने worm देखा था. But as I picked up my bag and was about to leave, I had to look once again at the rock. And do you know what I saw there? I saw Mr. Worm coiled on it comfortably, staring at me. So second time he looked at the rock. At that time the same worm was there and staring at at the boy. I walked away, thinking tomorrow I will do wazoo, wear clean clothes and come here. Okay? तो उसने सोचा कि वो वज़ू करेगा. कि वज़ू मतलब कुछ इस तरह से होता है कि मुस्लिम में जो नमाज पढ़ते उससे पहले हाथ पैर वगैरह साफ सफाई करके वो वज़ू करते हैं. और वो ये बच्चा भी कहता है कि आई विल डू वज़ू, आई विल वेयर क्लीन क्लोथ्स एंड कम हियर. फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टू नून आई विल कीप रीडिंग द नमाज. ओके. इफ इवन आफ्टर दैट अल्लाह डजंट give me 4 rupees, I will be forced to learn how to strike bargains or make deals with him. If Allah Mia will not give me money, I will do bargain with him. मैं उससे bargaining करूँगा. bargaining मतलब शॉप पर अब जब हमारी मम्मी जाती है कपड़ा लेने, साड़ी वगैरह लेने, तो bargaining करती है ना. 500 की या 700 की साड़ी हो तो दुकान वाले को क्या कहती है, नहीं इतना ही होना चाहिए, इतना ही होना चाहिए. फिर दुकान वाला कुछ कहते हैं, अच्छा ठीक है. इस तरह से फिर बार्गेनिंग करते हैं. आफ्टर ऑल इफ माई अल्लाह डज नॉट गिव मी माई 4 रुपीज़ देन हु विल. तो अल्लाह मियाँ नहीं देंगे तो कौन देंगे. इफ अल्लाह मियाँ विल नॉट गिव मी देन हु विल गिव मी द मनी. दैट डे व्हेन आई रिटर्न होम apparently from school and actually from the railway station, I was caught. Okay, so it was clear that he was caught. वो पकड़ा गया, उसका झूठ सामने आ गया. The report of my absence had reached home. Okay, absence report reached home and he was caught. It's useless to relate what happened after that. Okay, तो मैं अब यहाँ पर ये नहीं बताता कि मेरे साथ अब क्या हुआ. ओके, ऑब्वियसली स्कूल से बंक हो जाएगा तो घर पर कोई फूल हार से तो स्वागत करेगा नहीं. नोबडी वेलकम्स, इज इट. सो ऑन दैट डे he might have been scolded, he might have been beaten, he might have been punished, right? Well, whatever happened happened. अब जो हो गया सो हो गया. Whatever happened happened. But up to the 7th or 8th standard I kept wondering. Okay? लेकिन मैं 7th और 8th standard तक तो यही सोचता रहा, if Allah Mia had sent me 4 rupees that day, what harm could it have possibly caused anyone? अगर मुझे अल्लाह मियाँ 4 रुपये दे देते तो इसमें क्या किसी के साथ बुरा हो जाता. इट वॉज ओनली लेटर आई केम टू कंक्लूजन दैट इफ अल्लाह मियाँ वर टू प्रोवाइड ऑल फॉर दैट आस्किंग, देन men would even today be living in nest like vultures and crows and would not have learnt the art of making jalebis. अगर हम मांगते 50 रुपया दे दो तो भगवान दे देंगे, 100 रुपया दे दो तो दे देंगे, मुझे जलेबी चाहिए तो दे देंगे, मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए. अगर भगवान दे देते तो शायद इंसान कभी बनता ही नहीं, है ना. तो यहाँ पर भी यही है, इफ वट एवर अल्लाह मियाँ प्रोवाइडेड ऑल फॉर द आस्किंग, जो भी प्रोवाइड कर देते, देन मैन वुड, तो इंसान क्या होता, इवन टुडे आज क्या होता, बी लिविंग इन नेस्ट, अभी नेस्ट में रहता होता, लाइक वल्चर्स एंड क्रोज, एंड वुड नॉट हैव लर्नड द आर्ट ऑफ मेकिंग जलेबी. तो ये जलेबी सीखने की कला भी उसको नहीं आई होती. सो हु इज़ द राइटर, अहमद नदीम कासमी, ट्रांसलेटेड फ्रॉम द उर्दू बाय सूफिया पठान. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, द क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, ओके, यू हैव रिटन इन द प्रीवियस पीरियड. ओके, so today comprehension check question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so these question and answer you have to write in your homework book. Okay, and whatever the vocabulary is there, whatever the vocabulary, आपको भी ये चैप्टर रीड करना है. You have to read the chapter एंड जो भी वोकेबुलरी आपको हार्ड लगती है वो आपकी बुक में लिख देना. ओके, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.